We should not expect the poor people in 2047. We should have to think about Garibi Hatao. I think so for nowadays, no Garibi. And we expect more and more. In 2047, there is no poorness in India. That is third. And fourth is Kisan, farmer. Indian farmers should give food to the world, not to India. That is the fourth pillar. So these four pillars are strengthened. In the 2047, definitely India will lead the world. Total countries are afraid to see a side of India. Why? Because youth. You are the power. Farmer the power. Women the power. These powers we should strengthen. Then definitely our India become a leader in the world. Very recently, yesterday only, American president, last night only I have seen news, he's saying that we should have to give more opportunities to the India like people. Otherwise, those people coming to America and studying go back to India and they are establishing industries. We should have to give more opportunities to the Indians to establish industries in America itself. See how much deeply he is also thinking about Indians. So dear kids, what do you want to become? Meeremavataru pedayina tarvata? Scientist kavala. Manchi academicians kavali. We should become a good professors. We should become a good IAS officers, IPS officers. All the areas, whatever opportunities comes to you, you should lead it with genuinely. So that ethics also we should learn. An important thing, we should not forget our culture. India should have to have the culturable country. भारत एक सांस्कृति प्रधान देश है. So we should not leave that ethics. First in education, even science also. In 20 years back when I entered into the research, there was no subject of the ethics. Appudu ethics niyamaలకు చెప్పే subject లేదు.